Can you hear me hopeless, louder than ever before? Every piece of me that's broken, got a million more for you. And I heard you that night, you were screaming out the call. Hell if I remind it's who you are. Until I hear you calling home.
Hello. Today we're at a new little beach. Mark and I have decided to go on a bit of a hiking, not hiking. Mark and I have decided to go on a bit of a cycling camping adventure. So over here actually you can see a bit of a campsite behind me. So we're still here in Brittany in Finisterre, but we've taken the bikes, hit the road, and 20 kilometers later got to this new town with new sights, and we've set up camp here for the night, and then tomorrow morning we'll cycle back. So that's bike packing, right? Bike packing, camping. So it's really nice just to get out and be here. There's, I don't know if you can see, there's a lighthouse here, 2 lighthouses actually. So I think that's what this area is famous for, and then we've got some nice grassy terrain. And yeah, no, we put up our tent as soon as we arrived, and then went to relax on the beach a bit. Mark's still reading there. I'm gonna head back to start prepping our dinner. I have my camping stove here. I'm excited to get it out. It's been a while, and to make some camping food. I'm gonna head back to our tent now on the campsite, and we'll get that set up and going. Oh God, please, till I hear you calling on.
I will get some kids afterwards.
Till I hear you calling on.
So busy making Sana's tuna tomato pasta. There we go. Tuna tomato sauce, 1 pot pasta thing. So just started with the onions, and after this, if I remember correctly, I think the stock goes in, and stock and tomato sauce I have here. Nice and cozy now. We've just finished dinner, which turned out to be really great. My first time cooking I'm camping by myself. Normally I always have Sana and her outdoor kitchen, but today I had to do that alone, which is actually really nice. And we were just about to go wash up when Mark spotted the beautiful colors changing in the sky. So we were just doing a bit of a sunset stroll. Oh, it's beautiful. Kilometers to go and then we're home, and then we've successfully done 20 kilometers there and 20 kilometers back.